about how to replace ELV simulator with CGDI MB. Okay, let us see what do we need. First, it is our CGDI MB host and the OBD here, OBD line with a key line here. Second is our EIS W207 and the key. The connector is okay. Third, it is our instrument emulator here. It is same as instrument functions on bench. Here you see, it will show your instrument status. Here, you can see it shows the key has been pulled out. Then you here it shows the key has been inserted. Okay, final is our ELV simulator here. You can check. You can use it when your ELV is break. As we know, the ELV is expensive and you can't turn on the car if you don't have ELV. So we made the ELV simulator here. It is cheap and it can help replace the real ELV to help you turn on the car. Okay, let us first connect the wiring according to the wiring diagram. Here, open the CGDI MB software. Click wiring diagram here. Found 207. Here, you can see the instrument emulator have the cable. It has been connected, and I have a test. It is great. The general idea of all the job is to get the key password first, then save the key file with password, and finally write the EIS file with the password into the ELV simulator. Okay, let us do the first step. Write the EIS date. Click write the EIS date here. Write success. Second, we need to compute password. We have a key here, so we choose copy key with key. Click collect date. Choose other keys. Okay. Please insert the key into EIS. Here I have done. Click OK. Please insert the key into the CGDI MB. Okay, I have done, and click OK. The key is a BE key. The key password has been read out. Today I am here use a BE key. It can calculate the key password very quick. But when you do your original key, you need to follow the tips step by step to collect data, and you can find many videos from the YouTube. Okay, I click OK. There is a copy. It has been passed in here by itself. Then we save the EIS date here. You can save it by default or anywhere you can find it easier. Here, named 111. Save it. Save file successfully. Okay. Then we go to ELV page. Here, this page. Choose ELV simulator. here. First thing, you need to write simulator. Please connect the key line. Because our instrument emulator has key line, it has been connected here in there. So we here don't need to connect. Just click OK. You see the password is empty and the simulated password is all 00. It means the ELV is new. Second, we need to load the EIS date here. 111, the file, choose the file, open it. Then write simulator, click it. Steer tips the key line. I have already done. OK. Connected sorry. Then we need to wait a minute. Write ELV succeeds. Please insert key into EIS and switch ignition on for activation. You need to follow the tips. Into EIS and switch it on. Do it once more here. And you can see the instrument emulator here. It shows the key has been inserted. ACC has been opened. On has been opened. The key has been pulled out. OK. Let us check here. Click OK. Write simulator again. Steer tips the key line. Click OK. Here you see it has been activated. Means the ELV simulator has been succeeded. There is a erase simulator. You can do it by software, or you can do it by hand reset. Here we have a toothpick. Here is a hole. You push it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, there is a voice. That means the erase has been succeeded. Let us read the simulator. Tips key line. You see, the activated is not activated here. There are 2 ways to erase the ELV simulator. By hand reset or software here. OK, that's all. Thank you.